What's up, everyone? Welcome back. It's your boy, Life Creator. And this message is going to be for my fellow content creators, as well as hopefully to encourage anyone else to create content as well. All right. And so I made a video about this a while back when I first started my YouTube channel. And this was back when I was filming videos on my motorcycle. All right, and the video or the topic, the message that I was talking about when I made that video was why I make content, why I became a YouTube content creator. And the reason why that is because if you go and look at, how many cemeteries there are in the world, if you go and look at our history books, the people that we study, there are a lot of people that have walked this earth, but no one ever got to learn about or even experience or even knows about. There's so many millions and millions of people that have come and gone from this planet, and they really haven't left little to nothing of substance on this planet, right? And so the reason why I became a YouTube content creator was to not only make content, of course, and make videos, but to also leave a mark on this planet of my existence, leave a record of my existence on this planet. And as well as, I have 4 kids. I'm a father of 4. And, they are possibly more than likely going to have kids themselves. So I would want something for my grandkids to be able to watch and see how their grandfather was, or even my great grandkids to be able to watch and see how their great grandfather was. All right. So on top of that, if you understand how the universe works, and once you understand that everything, including the universe, is in code, is in binary code, right? So even we as humans are in binary code. Everything we do is in code, like the facial expressions that we make. Everything you can touch or see is in binary code. Okay, so when you understand that, you'll understand that the internet is connected to the universe. All right, a lot of people are wondering where the internet came from.
And then the ring around it? See, that's what I said.
Mm-hmm. No,
what is internet anyway?
Right, it's always existed. We just tapped into it. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, so when you look at YouTube and the algorithms of YouTube, right, which everybody's trying to figure out, trying to figure out the algorithms of YouTube, you have to understand the algorithms of the universe. Okay, so, and it's no coincidence that YouTube calls us content creators. Okay, so when you look at how the universe works, when you look at how the internet works, you look at how YouTube works and other social media sites work, you'll understand that it's very important for you to put out content into the world, into the universe, right? It's actually part of the manifestation process, okay? Everything you record and you upload onto the internet, or YouTube for this case, is energy, right? And so the energy you give out is the energy you get back, okay? So the reason why I wanted to make this message and talk about this was because I want people to understand that we're not just on here making videos. We're not just on here just recording ourselves and just to upload and just to make money, although that is part of it, but that's not the only reason. Is you're actually putting out energy into the universe. It's part of why we're here. It's part of our journey. It's part of our purpose. You understand what I'm saying? We are all creators, whether you know it or not, or whether you believe it or not. We are all creators. We are here to create. All of us collectively are all connected. All of us collectively are all a part of one big puzzle. You understand what I'm saying? And when you realize that, you realize the importance of taking advantage of this internet that we have tapped into. And you'll understand how important it is to record something that you love doing, record something that you're interested in, and upload it and create your own channel, because we are all operating on different frequencies or different channels. Okay, that's the reason why, you know, YouTube has your own, everybody, individual person has their own YouTube channel, right? Because AKA frequencies, right? So when you upload content onto YouTube, you're putting energy out into the universe, and you get out of YouTube what you put into it, right? And that's how the algorithm of YouTube is working, as well as that's how the algorithm of the universe works. You know, everything that you put into your life is what you get out of it. You only get out of life what you put into it. It's just that simple, right? And everybody's looking for this complex method of how YouTube works and how the internet works and how life works, but it's just that simple. You get out of life what you put into it. And the same way you get out of YouTube what you put into it, right? Everybody's looking, you know, trying to, you know, figure out some secret formula and figure out how to, you know, do things a little faster and stuff like that, which is fine. But in all reality, it's just as simple as you getting out what you put into it, right? And I know everybody, when you're first starting, even myself, you know, I have a life outside of YouTube. I'm very busy, and I do what I can, and I try to give you guys quality content rather than just turning on the camera and just saying anything. So many people have come and gone from this planet, and, you know, even when I look at, you know, my grandfather on my dad's side, he passed before I had the chance to meet him. And, you know, even though I've heard stories about him, it would have been great to have seen video footage of my grandfather, you know. And, you know, while pictures are great and stories are great, but it's nothing like seeing video footage of a person and seeing how they acted, how they sounded, the things that they were interested in, you know. And so I want to leave that as a legacy for my kids, you know, my grandkids and my great grandkids, so they can say, wow, great grandpa, you know, he was very knowledgeable, or wow, great, that's how he sounded, that's how he looked, and that's what he was into. Wow, you know. And so, you know, we all here on this planet, we want to be remembered, right? As much as, you know, you have people that will pretend like they don't, but we wouldn't be here on this planet. We wouldn't have even been born. We wouldn't have come through teleport through our mother's womb onto this planet if we didn't want to be remembered, if we didn't want to be loved, if we didn't want to be cared for, right? And thought of, right? So we are here on this planet, not just as creators, but we're here to leave a mark on this planet, leave a mark in this universe, right? So when you understand that everything electronic, computers, it's all made after the universe. It's all made after how the mind works. It's all made in binary code. It's very important for you to create. It's very important for you to exercise your mind. It's very important for you to practice. Like even me, myself, still not used to talking to a camera. It still feels so weird to me, but I continue to do it and I continue to practice it, and I'm getting better and better at it. You know, we're here to create. We are all creators. We are infinite. We have infinite abilities. We have infinite knowledge, infinite wisdom. It's no coincidence that when you search something on Google, it gives you the answer almost immediately to anything you want to know, any question you have, right? Because all collectively, together on this planet, we all possess the answers to anything we want to know. And so take advantage of the internet. Take advantage of these capabilities that we have with these devices to document and to forever be stored in the Akashic records of the universe or this planet, right? Take advantage of the cell phones that we have, because we don't know how long we're going to be tapped into this capability. We don't know what's to come next. You understand what I'm saying? So I encourage you, to anyone, and I know there's a lot of content creators out there already, and I know people are creating content, but there's still a lot of people. If you look at the amount of people that are on this planet, 7 billion and counting people that are on this planet, there's still a lot of people that aren't creating and aren't putting out information or either recording the things that they love to do and things that they're interested in. And don't worry about whether or not it's going to get views or whether or not it's going to become some big, huge channel or thing like that. Just put out content. Record yourself doing anything. I don't care if it's reading a book. I don't care if it's, riding a bicycle or just filming the trees. There's so much stuff that you could film. You're living every day. You have something interesting that you could be recording about yourself, right? Leave a legacy, leave a mark, contribute something into this planet, contribute something into the universe. And you do that by recording and uploading content onto the YouTube channel, right? The YouTube, trust me when I say this, the YouTube and the internet is connected to the universe. And although I may not have documentation or proof as of yet, but my intuition tells me so. I mean, all you got to do is really just look at how the universe works. Look at how the spiritual laws of the universe work. And you look at how the internet has been working, right? Look at how YouTube, like I said, even YouTube calls us content creators. And we are all creators, right? And so what you upload to YouTube is the same thing, is the same equivalent as what you put into life through your actions, through your words, through your thoughts, through your feelings, right? YouTube is the same way. YouTube, what you upload and the content and the energy that you put onto your channel or your frequency is the same thing as what you're doing in life. All right, and I encourage everyone to become content creators. Whether you do it on YouTube or Instagram or Twitter or whatever, create content on some type of platform, because that is part of the manifestation process. And that is part of the law of attraction. All right, we're sending out frequency waves through our YouTube channels, and therefore the universe will bring it back to us. All right, so that's my message for everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload. And like I always say, life and death are in the power of the tongue. So when we speak, we are either speaking life or we're speaking death over our lives. And I choose life. We are all creators, and that's why I call myself Life Creator. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next video. Peace.